Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see the balance sheet report in Odoo Accounting. The balance sheet report is one of the most useful financial reports in Odoo because it helps you understand the financial health of your business. It provides a clear view of what your company owns, what it owes, and the remaining value after accounting for liabilities. To get started, open Odoo and go into the Accounting app. This is where you'll find the financial tools and reports related to your company's accounting data. The Accounting app is the main area in Odoo where you can manage invoices, payments, journals, financial statements, and other important accounting activities. Once you're inside the Accounting app, look toward the top left area of the screen for the toolbar. From there, click on Reporting. This reporting section is where Odoo organizes the main financial reports, making it easy to access important information about your business. Odoo includes several different reports in this section, so this area is useful whenever you need to review financial information or analyze business performance. After clicking Reporting, select Balance Sheet from the available report options. As soon as you do that, Odoo will open the balance sheet report for you. Here, you'll be able to see your balance sheet report on screen. This report gives you a snapshot of your company's financial position by showing assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets represent what your business owns, such as cash, inventory, equipment, or other valuable resources. Liabilities show what your business owes, such as loans or unpaid obligations. Equity represents the remaining value belonging to the owners after liabilities are deducted from assets. It's one of the most important reports in accounting, because it helps you understand what the business owns, what it owes, and the overall value of the company at a specific point in time. At the top of the report, you'll notice several tools that you can use to configure the way the report is displayed. These options are helpful if you want to customize the report based on the exact information you need to review. For example, you can adjust the date to view the balance sheet for a particular period or point in time. This is useful when you want to check your financial position at the end of a month, quarter, year, or any specific date. You can also use the comparison option if you want to compare values across different periods, which can be useful for tracking financial changes. For example, comparing two different periods can help you identify whether your assets are increasing, liabilities are changing, or the overall financial position of your company is improving. You'll also see options related to included entries and other report settings. These controls let you decide how much detail should appear in the report and which accounting entries are taken into account. If you're reviewing data for analysis, auditing, or internal reporting, these filters can help you get a clearer and more relevant view. Using these filters allows you to focus only on the information you need instead of reviewing unnecessary details. This can save time when preparing financial reviews or sharing reports with your team. Go ahead and configure the report based on your needs. Take a moment to review the available settings so the balance sheet reflects exactly the information you want to see. Once you've adjusted those options, your report is ready, and that's it. You can now use the balance sheet report in Odoo Accounting to review your company's financial position and make better decisions based on accurate financial data. That's how you can quickly view and configure the balance sheet report in Odoo Accounting.